Alright you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to two-strand twist natural short hair. I usually twist my brother's hair, but this time I just so happened to record it for you guys so you can see how I make the magic happen. So right now you see I'm just taking my time parting his hair. He washed and conditioned his hair the day before and it dried overnight, so I had to take my time parting it, detangling it with my fingers so I don't break off any of his hair. And I just showed you guys a glimpse of the product. That is what he uses, that's what he likes for his twists and everything else he does with his hair, so that's what I'm using. So I'm just reapplying water because his hair has gotten dry, and putting enough conditioner on his hair to make sure that it's slippery and it has a nice bounce. And I get as close to the root as possible when twisting his hair, and then I just stretch his hair and pull it down so his hair can stretch. That makes sense. So his twist can be elongated, I believe that's the word. Whenever I'm two-strand twisting my brother's hair, I always start from the back and work my way up. Be sure to, whenever you're combing your hair, start from the ends and work your way up from the roots, regardless of your length or texture, because you're doing it the opposite way will result in hair loss or damage. And just like his big sister, he prefers his two-strand twist small. When he takes them down, his hair is really defined and curly like. Oh, be sure to mention in the comments if you want me to do a take down his hair and show you what his twist out looks like. Be sure to mention that in the comments. But like I said, yeah, so I just take my time, I stretch his hair, and I work his hair around my finger to help it, well, to prevent it from loosening, from unraveling, and to give it a nice little curl at the end. Also, for my new people that's, just becoming natural, or you did the big chop, whatever the case may be, do not comb your hair when it's dry. When your hair is dry, it's more prone to being brittle. So if you feel like you need to comb your hair, if you feel like you need to detangle it, add water first and seal in moisture with whatever leave-in conditioner or oil you would like to use, because you comb it while it's dry, it's going to break off, it's going to hurt, and the detangling process is going to take a lot longer than what it should. I typically alternate with him wearing his hair in the fro to two-strand twist to braid, so be sure to put in the comment section if you want to see me cornrow my brother's hair, and I'll possibly do it on the next video. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. I know you're wondering, dang, his hair looks really good, it's really neat, but it took me practicing on his shorter hair to be able to master twisting shorter hair. It takes patience, it takes time, it takes consistency, and it takes you loving the state and length that your hair is in the moment.